So I wanted to share something with you very quickly that's been really beneficial and crucial to me at the moment. Not only myself, but my clients, my family. And I've been really personally having a lot of severe migraines recently and panic attacks, and been living in that fear, panic space with everything going on at the moment. And this has really helped keep me grounded and centered and just really know what's really going on, not only personally with my health, but what's going on around me, and think a lot clearer. And it's very simple. So when our minds get so bogged down and overwhelmed and going in a million different directions, and honestly sometimes just feeding us some baloney, where we really want to be and focusing on is our heart center, and breathing from our hearts and really bring all of that focus and truth down into our hearts. And it's really going to just make you feel all round better and release any of that built up anger, fear, all the lower negative places that we don't want to be at the moment. So all you're going to do is, as you take a nice big deep breath, you're going to imagine that you're breathing into your heart center. So imagine taking a nice deep breath into your heart. And I like to imagine it's becoming like a glowing light and breathing in all that wonderful goodness. But when you exhale, you're going to exhale down your spine and out your root. So we're breathing in all of that goodness, that wonderfulness, that healthy air, healthy energy, and we're releasing down our spine and naturally letting it go back down and out our root to never bother us again. So the more that you do this, the more naturally you'll be able to bring your focus to your heart and not let your mind control what we're going to feed into and what's real and what's not, and really bring us a better awareness of how to cope right now. So I want us to do a few rounds together to just feel all round better, and to be able to carry on the day in the right frame of mind and just cope with things a little bit better. So we're just going to take a nice deep breath into your heart. Exhale down your spine and out of your root. Take a nice deep breath into your heart. Let everything go you don't need down your spine, out of your root. Breathe out all of that stress and tension that's just hanging around the moment that we can just release and let go. Any guilt, pain, you name it, release it. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale down, out your root. 2 more. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale down your spine and out of your root. Last one. Down your spine and out of your root. Thank you. And just feel free to sit here and do this as many times, just so that you can really bring yourself back to earth, ground yourself back down, and get out of your mind, get out of your head. So thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful rest of the day.